Today we've got a leaky automatic chlorinator Hayward. We're going to change out the gasket to take care of that leak. Picked up this set cheap on Amazon. Comes with 2 gaskets and also the tool if you have trouble removing the top of yours. That just helps you to break it loose, basically just a giant wrench. Put that on there, loosen it up. The gasket is up here inside, so we're going to take this apart, put the gasket in. All right, so once you got the top off, it's pretty simple. You're just going to remove this big bolt out of the top of it. You can either do that with a big screwdriver or you can use a socket on there. Side. Turn. Then once you get that loosened up, just take it the rest of the way out. You just keep prying that around until it comes loose. The gasket makes it kind of sticky. And then eventually you'll get it out. And then here's our gasket. This gasket's not very old, but these Hayward ones don't last very long for some reason. So we've got the new gasket. It's a little bit more of an O-ring type than the original one. The original one, as you can see, already got a lot of cracks in it. This one's probably only 6 months old, maybe. Put a little bit of grease on there. Sometimes they come with it. If not, you can pick some up. Or in a pinch, you can use Vaseline. Make sure it all goes in that slot. O-rings in there nice. Then we're just going to put this back in, same way it came apart. Also, if you need any of the other parts for this, Hayward makes these little sets that include the 2 washers, the bolt for the top, and the top cap. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that as well while we're in here. All right, so we got those on there. Just going to line all that up. Put the bolt in, and then go ahead and tighten that up. All right, got this all rebuilt, ready to go. Throw that back on there. Turn the pump on. And there we go. No more leak. So we got this one all buttoned up and no more leak. If you need any of these parts, the gasket, or also the rebuild kit that Hayward puts out there with the bolt and different other pieces there, the links will be down below. Thanks for watching.